Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in AIB online banking account. So if you also want to log into your AIB online banking account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in aib.ie, press enter. You can see over here you'll be led to the official website of AIB. You can see several options over here. At top right corner you'll be able to see the option for login. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see two options over here, internet banking and iBusiness login. Click on the option internet banking. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here in order to log in you need registration number, personal access code and phone or card reader. If you haven't created your account, you can click on this option register for internet banking. If you want to log into your account, simply click on the option continue. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is enter your registration number and enter the 5-digit personal access code over here. Click on the first box. Now enter the registration number. Now enter your PAC. After that, what you have to do is click on this login option that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in AIB online banking account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.